Welcome, WhatsApp users. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature that's been rolled out for WhatsApp Web on PC. If you've been wanting more control over how your text messages are displayed, you're in for a treat. We'll be showing you how to enable the Replace Text with Emoji option, which allows WhatsApp to automatically convert certain text inputs into emojis. Let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats. Now look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. What we're interested in is the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear or cog. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. We're looking for Chats, so scroll down if you need to and click on that. This will open up all the chat-related settings for your WhatsApp web experience. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the chat settings, you should see a new option called Replace Text with Emoji. It's a simple toggle switch that you can flip on or off. When it's enabled, WhatsApp will automatically convert certain text inputs into their corresponding emojis as you type. For example, typing might turn into a smiley face emoji, or Y could become a thumbs up. It's a fun way to add some flair to your messages without having to manually search for emojis every time. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. WhatsApp often rolls out new features gradually, so it might take a little time to reach all users. Keep checking back, and you'll eventually see it appear in your settings. And there you have it. You've now learned how to enable the Replace Text with Emoji feature on WhatsApp Web. This nifty little update can save you time and add a bit of personality to your chats. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Happy chatting, everyone.